Good day everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you easily how you can find your archived emails in Gmail. So for example, if you place them in the archive section, maybe temporarily, or you got rid of them but now you decided that no, I need them again, the archived messages and mail is pretty easy to find. So as you can see on the left, we have here all of our tabs for different categories of mail. For example, the entire inbox, important purchases, send, email, all of this stuff. And now in order to find that archived mail, we just need to go into all mail section. So you have seen me archive a few of those. So for example, I archived a message from Sandbox. And as you can see, I have here still, as you can see, I can't archive it because it's already in the archive, but it's still available and you can find it right over here. So once again, just go to all mail section and you can find all of your mails and all of your messages, including archived, in this section. Enjoy guys, hopefully we help you out with these tutorials. Also don't forget to like and subscribe, that helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.